Hello viewers, you are welcome to Younger Life channel. Today we want to move round. And within Amawbia. Amawbia is a town that has boundary with Awka. So Amawbia is like Obosi. It's like Obosi that has boundary with Awka also. So Amawbia is part of Awka metropolis. In fact, you don't know when you cross over to Amawbia sometimes from Awka and when you cross over to Awka from Amawbia. So we are going to move round and within Amawbia town and see how this town looks like. So, but if you haven't subscribed to Younger Life channel, please click on the subscription button now, notification button. Let's hear your view about this video, and please don't forget to like this video and share it for others that want to watch too. People have left this area for a very long time, so usually they are overjoyed seeing such videos, and having that in mind, we are showcasing Amawbia to everyone to see. So let's go and see how Amawbia is looking presently. So as we are moving, if you ask me about this place, it looks like work is going on to work on this road. Usually our people are the people that uses this road, people residing in this Awka city and around Awka city majorly. So it is not out of place if state government, though it's a federal road, the responsibility is for federal government. But we have seen it happening several times when state governments take up responsibility of some of these federal roads, and later they will be reimbursed from the federal. So usually they normally obtain approval before doing such road. It's quite a good thing if it's being done like that. And we know that our Igbo governor has been doing his best. Uneasy lies the crown, the head that wears the crown. So, but let's see, we want to see more of his handwork. People have been saying all over that Awka roads, Anambra roads have not been up to standard. So people are wishing to see a standard road with walkways, traffic lights, neat road and so on. So now we've just passed the Amawbia flyover and we entered this bypass. This bypass is the major bypass that connects Amawbia Express with the Amawbia Old Road. Well, the bypass is not a bad one, but I thought it ought to be better than this, if you ask me, but never mind, it's quite smooth and pothole free. Despite that, the road is tiny. So in such places, people are saying that it's wrong to have an open gutters like this, which is quite correct in a city like this. So if it rains, the drainage system get full, and people don't know which one is which, and so on. So I don't know. I've said this one time earlier that we have a better standard construction company already in Anambra State. That is, if you ask me, RCC, them, Beja, they have their yard already in Anambra State. It is not a bad idea if government can engage company like Bega in Anambra State roads, give them specification, good standard specifications, let them, engage in this. It will go a long way, even if all the money is not given to them. And since they are there in the state, money can be remitted to them on monthly basis while they keep constructing the road. And first of all, they have to connect a deep drainage that will connect the whole city first before going on the road. They know how to do best. So if you ask me, I feel that is a good idea and a better one, so that we plan for the future. We cannot continue with all this cut and join system that may not last for a very long time. That is, if you ask me, I'm saying my own opinion, and I'm sure that I'm saying the opinion of so many people. But a journey of 1,000 miles starts with a step. So we are still moving along Amawbia. This is the old road. I remember when this place is single lane. So it was later reconstructed to have a dual lane like this. The only thing that this road is lacking is pedestrian walkway and covered drainage system. It has street lights and very smooth road, and so on. So like I was saying, a good and functional construction company like Bega can be engaged. They'll be engaged in road maintenance and construction while remitting monies to them on monthly basis. With this, it can go a long way. Even if it's one or two roads is being constructed within a month or two, at least the job has been reduced. So now we are moving inside Amawbia. This is one of the roads and one of the areas inside Amawbia. So that's where we are going now. Let's have a look, a general look of Amawbia. When we are done with this area and so on, we'll move over to the other side of Amawbia. So we see how that area looks like also. So shortly we are going to come out at Old Road, Enugu Onitsha Old Road, and this is the Enugu Onitsha Old Road by prisons. So we are going to move up to that Amawbia roundabout. We will take right and follow the bypass so that we can get across to the other side of Amawbia. This is the Amawbia roundabout. By the left, you are going to Ekulobia. By the right, straight, you are still on the Enugu Onitsha Old Road. So by the right of this place is Amawbia Motor Park. That motor park is undergoing serious reconstruction now, as we saw. As Amawbia bypass junction, you are moving through the bypass and we are going to take left. This is a whole new exploration of Amawbia town in Anambra State. So now we have entered the left side of Amawbia. Let's see how Amawbia interior looks like. We are are moving around Amawbia town. Let's have a look. This is Ibolo Square by the left, one small square in Amawbia. That's how we saw it, Ibolo Square. So, but if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, don't waste further time. Click on the subscription button, notification button. Let's hear your comments about this video, and don't forget to like it and share it also. Thank you as you do that, as we explore Amawbia in Anambra State. So now we are back to this road that goes to the express. That is Amawbia bypass road. That's the road that leads to express side. That's where we are moving on now. So thank you for watching. Until I come your way next time, bye for now. I still remain Chinedu, your presenter.